paddock, a purple and green bird with bright yellow legs and a candy corn for a beak. That is a purple gallinal. The purple gallinal mates for life. It is said that when one mate dies, shortly after the second mate will stop eating and die as well. They take till death do us part very seriously. The gallinal mates for 6 months out of the year. During that time, females drop a clutch of 2 to 4 eggs every 2 weeks. After 6 months, mom and dad go their separate ways, only to find themselves 6 months later. Now, some call that the perfect marriage. 6 months on, 6 months off. Look at this way, ladies. You get them as football or baseball season. You also got some baby gallinals right there. Those are about 6 months old. By next month, they'll start turning purple and green. Their legs will turn yellow, and they'll put a candy corn where their beak is. The birds you see flying around the boat, those are boat-tailed grackles. Brown ones are females. The black and blue look like a small crow. Those are the males. When you're at the park and you have food, do be careful with the grackle. It will take the food from your mouth.